Alright, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the entire process of how I turned this loft into an office/movie room. So I want to do an accent wall on this wall just to give the room a little character. Now, if you guys are interested in all the details of how I put this together, I will leave a link down below. But for now, I'll just give you a quick rundown of how I put it together. That was a quick little preview of how I put this accent wall together. Now, I think it turned out really nice, and the RGB lighting is just a nice touch that's kind of unique and makes it pop. I want to do a floating entertainment stand. So the TV is 75 inches and I want this entertainment center to be 85 inches. So we'll have 5 inches of overhang on both sides. We're gonna make it one giant unit with one opening drawer. So I think it'll look good once it's all said and done. But let's go ahead and build it. The shelf is hung, but next, hardware. Alright, the soundbar I went with was the Samsung Q910B. I got it just because it was on sale. So these are from Valencia Theater seating. If you guys don't know who they are, I'll leave a link down below. But basically, they are the cream of the crop when it comes to theater seats. You guys are probably wondering why I say the Valencia Theater seats are the best you can get, so let's talk about it. So the pair I got here is the Tuscany Ultimate Luxury Edition. Now these are completely covered in a matte semi-aniline Italian Napa leather 20,000. Now these seats have powered lumbar, headrest, and recline functions, perforated French diamond stitching, RGB LED lighting in the cup holders and underneath, memory seat functions, so all you have to do is press one button and the seat goes back to exactly how you set it, USB-A and USB-C charging ports, and deep storage compartments in each of the armrests. Now the cherry on top has to be the added accessories that Valencia offers to complement these seats. So starting off with the carbon fiber tray table, you can use this to hold your snacks, dinner, or laptop if you're sitting down in the seats and you need to get some work done. They have a phone/tablet holder that even has a hole on the bottom so you can still charge your device while it's in the holder, and then a wine glass caddy if that's your drink of choice. Now me personally, I keep the phone holder and the tray table in here at all times, and I really can't see any way that these seats could get any better. Now if you guys are interested, I will go ahead and leave the link down below so you can check them out for yourself. So with this small home theater setup almost complete, I took a trip to Ikea to get a bunch of furniture for the office setup. This front drawer does not stay flush across the whole front, right? So here it's pretty good, but over here it kind of bows out. We've got a bigger gap. So I got these magnets off Amazon. I think they were like 15 bucks for a pack of 8. Oh, there. Anyways, heavy duty magnets. So hopefully these work. Let's put them in right now. Try it out. Oh yeah, that's gonna solve the problem. All right, check it out, look. All right, so it's a double snap, but it's still a snap. I put everything from Ikea together. The only two things I didn't get from there was the desk and the chair. So the desk I ended up going with was the FlexiSpot Q8. Now this standing desk is 36 inches by 55 inches long. It has a bamboo top with a built-in wireless charger. You have 4 custom height settings as well as USB-A and USB-C charging. The front of the desk has a pull-out drawer so you can put a few things, and overall the motors are quiet. It senses that wires are getting pulled if it's rising and automatically stops. And it has a clean overall aesthetic with minimal branding. Alright, so the last thing I really think this space needed was plants. Now for the longest time, me personally, I would just go fake plants because I like the aesthetic of plants, but I didn't want to take care of them. So I did a little Google searching and I came across a company called EasyPlant. So with EasyPlant, they have a reservoir at the bottom of each plant pot. You fill it once a month and the plant basically takes care of itself. So after I checked all that out, it all looked good. I went ahead, went on the website, ordered a bunch of the plants, and they showed up the next week. Now, once I got them, the unboxing experience was solid, the plants were well protected, and it came with a booklet inside that gave you more information on how to best take care of them.